Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So as you can see, we are at Kroger and we are about to get into some amazing food deals, y'all. These are some bomb food deals that are going on for the next couple weeks. It's really time to stock up our pantries for the holidays, and you don't even need a whole lot of coupons for what we're about to do today. So the first deal I'm interested in is stocking up on these canned goods. So these are great for so many purposes around the holidays. Of course, to stock up your own pantry, but if you do a lot of donations around this time of year, everybody's looking for donations, this is a great time to get some canned items for that as well. So we are going to grab some Green Giant canned vegetables. These are on the buy 10 save $5 sale, so they are 49 cents each after the sale. No coupons needed, no coupons required. They are just 49 cents a piece. So I'm going to grab a bunch of these, and on the buy 10 save 5, you can mix and match products. So you can mix and match products. As long as you buy at least 10 that are included in the sale, you will save the $5. So we're going to mix and match items throughout the store, but I'm going to grab a bunch of these as our first item. Okay, so my first items, I got 12 cans of green beans. Now let's talk about these Progresso soups. So these are on sale for 99 cents with the mega event. You don't have to have any coupons. I don't even think we have any, but 99 cents is a great price for soup. This deal right here, I am more interested in, and that is on the Campbell's. So these are normally $1.25 each. They are 49 cents, y'all. I don't know if you're like me, but I use these Campbell's, great for cooking soups all the time, and they're normally pretty pricey. So at 49 cents, we're going to grab a lot of these and stock up today. Oh, and I forgot to add, for the Campbell's soup, we did get a 40 cents off of 4 coupon in our 11.3 Smart Source. I do not have that coupon on me, so I'm not even going to worry about it. It'll make these actually 39 cents each. The next deal up on my list, I'm super excited about. So the chicken broth is on sale for 49 cents as well. These are normally $1.19 each. I use a ton of these cooking at the holidays, so this is definitely a stock up price for me. No coupons needed. We're just gonna go ahead and grab some at 49 cents. Our pantries are going to be super stocked after today. So the red gold tomatoes, the sauce, the diced tomatoes, all of their products, these cans are 49 cents as well. So I'm going to grab some of these. Once again, no coupons, but 49 cents each. Yes, y'all. So the key to successfully shopping a mega event is that you want to keep track of how many mega event items you're buying, because they need to be in increments of 5 or 10 or whatever the sale is. So our sale is a buy 10, so we need to make sure that our items are in increments of 10. So far I have 26 items that I have, so I know that I'm 4 short of that 10. So guess what we have to do, y'all? We need to keep on shopping. All right, so next up on the list, I'm going to grab some gravy. So y'all know we're going to use this gravy during the holidays. So if you're not making your gravy from scratch, you definitely want to take advantage of this deal. So these are normally $1.89 and they are 49 cents. Once again, I'm not going to use a coupon, but for 49 cents, this is the time to buy these items now. Don't get caught last minute at the end of the month when you need these items. More 49 cent items, y'all. These 49 cent deals I am loving. So once again, no coupons required, 49 cents. We got the elbow pasta for your macaroni and cheese. We have some penne up there, and the spaghetti is also 49 cents, y'all. We are just going to add these into our cart. No coupons, 49 cents each. All of the Kroger brand spices are buy one, get one free, y'all. So this is time to stock up your spice cabinet for the holidays if you need spices. So like this minced garlic is $1.39. These are going to be 69 cents each after that buy one, get one free sale. Black pepper, $1.99. So those are going to be 99 cents a piece after this buy one, get one free sale. Definitely stock up your spice cabinets as well. All right, so next up on our list is going to be the Kellogg cereal. I don't think I'm going to grab any today because I do not need them, but they are $1.49 on the mega event. So we have $1 off of 3 coupon. I think we also have a digital coupon on these. We have a lot of different coupon options on some of the boxes, especially if you have Kellogg's Reward. You may even have $1 off of 1, bringing these down to around $1 or 49 cents a box. So a great deal if you do need cereal. All right, y'all, so my store has not gotten around to tagging the laundry aisle yet, but the Snuggle products, so these super fresh liquids and then these other smaller bottles down here are actually supposed to be $2.29 on the mega event. So we have a $3 off 2 printable coupon, and we have a $3 off 2 digital coupon that you can use on these that will make them only 79 cents each, y'all. 79 cents. So I'm going to grab a few of these. I'm going to use that $3 off 2 digital coupon, and then I'm also going to use one of the printable coupons. So I think I'm going to get a total of 4 of these for only 79 cents a piece. Okay, you guys, so the Tide products and the Gain over there is not tagged yet, but it is included in the mega event, and it is way too high. They are $5.49. That would be a negative. We do have $2 off coupons that will bring these down to $3.49. Y'all know we are not about to pay $3.49 for some Tide, so we're just going to keep it moving in this area. Okay, so the next deal I wanted to show you guys is on the Tresemme. So the 28-ounce bottles are on sale for $3.49 on the mega event. We do have a $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that we got in our 11.3 Retail Me Not that will make these only 99 cents each. 99 cents is a great stock up price for these. I don't need them, so I'm going to pass on these today, but I definitely wanted to share this with you. So the next deal up on our list is on the Vaseline Lotion. So these are on sale for $2.49. We're going to use our $2 off manufacturer coupon that we got from the 11.3 Retail Me Not. Makes these only 49 cents each. But here's where it gets good. You're going to get back 1,000 fetch points back on these, making these free plus a money maker after you get that $1 back from fetch. So we're definitely going to be grabbing one of these today. The next deal up on our list is on the Ore-Ida products. So our French fries, our Tater Tots, these are going to be 99 cents because they're $1.99, but we're also going to get back $1 from Saving Star. So make sure that you have this offer loaded on Saving Star, and these will only be 99 cents after we get that rebate back. So here's another great deal on the Totino's pizza. So they are only 75 cents, y'all. 75 cents. I don't have any coupons. I'm not sure if there are any available, but if you have some, definitely throw those in the mix. But this is a great item to add into your deals today. So the Coffee Mate Creamer, these are the big 32-ounce bottles. They are included on the mega event for $1.99. We have $1 off 2 printable coupon, and then there's also a 50-cent off 1 printable coupon on coupons.com, making these only $1.49. This is a good time to grab some of the fun holiday flavors that you can get on this deal for only $1.49. This is a really good deal on the Marie Calendar pot pies. These pot pies are bomb. So they are normally $2.29, but they are only 99 cents on the mega event. So that is a great deal in itself. No coupons, but 99 cents is an awesome price. Okay, you guys, so I think I have everything I'm going to grab for this event. As y'all can see, our pantry is going to be locked and loaded for the holiday season. So I'm going to count everything to make sure that I have enough for the buy 10, save 5 sale. So I think I have 40 items here. We're just going to count to make sure. So I have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 items, y'all. And you do have to be that careful and count each one of your items to make sure that you have them in increments of 10, because if you don't, it will throw your wholesale prices off. So we have 40 items. I'm only going to use a few coupons today, y'all. Y'all should be proud of me. I only got 4 coupons today. We're going to use a $3 off 2 digital on one set of the Snuggle, but this is it. So let's go check out. Okay, you guys, so our total before we scan our Kroger card is $65.57. I have everything scanned here at the self-checkout. So now I'm going to scan my Kroger card and make sure that everything comes off.
Help is on the way.
Alright, so we have 40 items. So everything came off with our mega event sale. So as y'all can see, we saved 50% just scanning with the mega event sale. So now our total is only $33.24. So now I'm going to give her my coupons to finish off our savings. She just came and scanned our coupons. So now our total is $25.20. After taxes, we're only going to be paying $26.74 for all of our groceries today. Yes, y'all. $25 for all of those items. Super excited about that. So another Kroger mega event is complete and our pantry is going to be super stocked up. So let me show you a close-up of our receipt. So there is that digital coupon for the Snuggle that came off perfectly. All of our mega event savings are there. We paid $25.20 plus tax. Those are the few coupons that we used. And honestly, we got some great savings today without even using a whole bunch of coupons. Our pantry is about to be stocked up for the fall and the winter. So I hope this video was helpful for you. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and y'all know I will talk to you soon. Bye.